When someone has a 10-year green card in the United States, they have to renew it every 10 years. And so even though their status doesn't expire, their card does. What that means is that every 10 years you have to file a Form I-90, you can file it online, to get a new card that isn't expired. This is important because you can't travel with an expired green card, and it also can create complications with DPS, renewing your driver's license, and other bureaucratic agencies like that. But one point I'll always recommend is to explore your eligibility for citizenship, because you may want to renew your green card if you don't want dual citizenship or if you don't speak English, or there might be reasons. But generally, U.S. citizenship is going to be a better bet, and why spend the money on a green card renewal when instead you could go for citizenship, which doesn't ever require you to renew it. If you have a green card or frankly any immigration document and it's been stolen, you need to file a police report, because your next step is going to be to apply for a new document from the immigration authorities. But often they want you to send in your old document. They want you to explain what happened. And if you tell them that it was stolen, but you don't have a police report, you may not be able to get the renewed card. So always, if you have something stolen, it's your immigration documents, your first step is filing a police report. Second step is going to be going to immigration and asking for a replacement card. Sometimes I talk to green card holders whose green cards expire while they're abroad. Number one is try not to let that happen. Before you leave the country, check your documents, check the expiration of your green card. Try not to get yourself in the situation where you're abroad without a way to get back in. But in almost every country in the world, there is a U.S. embassy or consulate, and you could go to the embassy or the consulate and apply for a renewal of the card. This isn't something they do regularly. It's not going to be easy. It's going to be a giant hassle, but you eventually will get to the point where you are able to come back in. I just don't recommend putting yourself in that situation.